Good morning. It is Friday and we have made it through another week. That is so exciting. God has kept us. And I just wanted to stop by and just give you words of encouragement. And in my spirit, a couple days ago, God had placed in there just talking about leaks. And so I just wanted to stop by and say, if there are leaks, whatever the leak is in our lives, it has to be replaced. A cup with a leak in it from a hole, we normally replace that. We either get a new cup or we buy a new cup because that cup no longer can hold fluid. And then when it comes to a water hose, when we cut on the water for the water to go through the water hose, and then we notice that water's coming out of it on the side where there's a leak in it, a hole in it, sometimes we try to replace that hole by patching it. And even when we patch it, eventually that patch is going to wear out and we're going to have to buy a new hose, replace that hole. So when there is a leak caused by a hole of any sort, it has to be replaced. If there is a leak in your life, for example, if your leak is unforgiveness, replace it with forgiveness. If your leak is doubt, replace it with faith. If your leak is jealousy, replace it for being happy for other people. If your leak is pride, replace it with humility. Whatever your leak is, replace it and replace it intentionally so that your heart can be pure, your life can be joyous, things you can accomplish because now you're motivated and God has given you the strength that you needed because you have replaced the leaks. Remember, the choice is yours. Have a good day.